In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up an Airtable base. Airtable is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing data, and knowing how to back up your bases is crucial to ensure that your information is safe and secure. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps. First, let's make our way to Airtable's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL airtable.com. You'll land on the homepage where you'll find various features that Airtable offers to help you build next generation apps and organize your workflows. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right hand corner of the screen and click on Sign In. You'll need to provide your login credentials. This step is essential because it grants you access to your personalized workspace where all your bases are stored. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your Airtable home. It acts as your main dashboard where you can easily access all your bases. Navigating to the home page is straightforward and sets the stage for our next moves. Now find your way to the Airtable section where your bases are displayed. You might notice several bases listed here depending on how much information you are managing. Browse through them to locate the specific base you wish to back up. When you have identified the base you want to back up, give it a click to open it. Once it loads, you'll see a set of options typically located at the top right. Among these options is the three-dot icon, which signifies additional settings or actions. Click on this three-dot icon to explore the menu. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Share Base. Clicking here will not only provide options for collaboration, but is also an essential step in the process of backing up. Backing up your Airtable base using the Share Base function involves choosing how you wish to store or transfer your data. It could involve linking another platform or exporting data for your records. And that's how simple it is to back up your Airtable base. Regularly creating backups of your bases ensures that your valuable data remains secure and accessible, minimizing risks of loss or mishandling. It's a good habit to cultivate, especially if you're managing critical information. Remember, keeping your data backed up means less worry and more focus on the productive use of your Airtable configurations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more tech tips and walkthroughs on Airtable and other useful software.